Coleman, does the heater work in your truck?
It's early Saturday morning and I'm going on a recovery. The tow truck's right there. Happens every time you tear it apart. So we got a Toyota that's got a broken ball joint out on a road. The Ratback is going today. It's not real stuck, it's just broken. So perfect for the Ratback. We'll go out, load that thing on and bring it home. Shouldn't be a big deal, but you never know what you're gonna run into. Just waiting for Jace to drag himself down here and then away we go. A little chilly out this morning. The old Cummins fired up though. We are race ready, so we'll jump in this thing and head out of here. We just met up with the guys that are gonna take us and show us where this thing is. It's Coleman, my nephew. You've seen him before on the channel. I believe this is a lion hunting truck. I'm not sure. I haven't got the full story, but when we get to where we're going, we'll let you know. Normally they give us an Onx pin. We can just go find it, but today we're following the people out here, so it makes it a little easier, unless they don't know where they left their truck. Yeah. Wish this heater would kick on.
Yeah, it's cold.
This truck feels like it's cold right now. Felt like a little bit of warm right there.
Yeah.
I mean, I'll take any bit of warm right now. My hands are freaking cold. It's out there somewhere, I think. We're gonna turn the hubs in for the first time in this truck today. That heat definitely feels way better than no heat. Yeah. Dirt road action in the off-road rollback. Let's see how this goes. Got yourself breakfast, huh? No. That's a good thing. Oh, that was rough right there. She doesn't ride like the tow truck by any means. We're into the narrower trail. We gotta do some trimming on that front bumper.
She rubs a little bit.
She rubs a little. I got it wrote on the board to trim it. I just haven't got her to that point. Got her there yet. It's coming. We're about to get all the little projects done with all the trucks, and then we can tackle some big stuff like a Jeepster. We'll rub that truck pretty good coming out of here. All these overhead treats.
A couple that are gonna be pretty hairy.
Might have been easier in the tow truck if we didn't have it tore apart.
Yeah. Good job, Tom. This is real dedication to the craft right here.
You're definitely coyote in the hole.
How are we gonna,
We're gonna get behind it right there and
load it on backwards?
yeah, jump out and turn the hubs in.
Yeah, it appears that
It's broken.
yeah, she's a little broken.
We do a little tree trimming on the way in.
A little bit.
Should be interesting. See how this goes.
Geez, I haven't got the proper hand tire.
Yeah.
This stupid truck, it doesn't like to build any heat. The old heater worked for a second, coming up the sand, blowing warm air. Alright. We should be good. That's where we're going. See if I have Fab Rats. I was hoping that just that one over there is pretty much all we're gonna need for a minute until it comes around.
I don't know if that's gonna stay.
It'll mostly stay.
Oh.
It's gonna stay.
Maybe.
Just exactly. This part's fine. Slide that other ramp back straight.
It tears the tow truck apart.
Yesterday.
This is built-in skid.
Right there. That's all you got with the.
Okay, put her in park right there.
Just hang out there for a second, Brent.
Hold your brakes on. I gotta rehook some winch. She's gonna roll a little bit, but it should stop.
The tire should stop.
On that other side, Cole. All right, we got you. Get you let off. That may cause us some undue grief.
Coleman, does the heater work in your truck?
Yeah, you can ride with me.
I'm gonna have to ride in there for a minute. My hands are cold.
Brent can ride with Paul. He likes to be cold.
Oh, dang. Pull that out, Coleman. Yeah.
You gotta have your Fab Rats gloves on.
I'm
if
telling
you
you.
do stuff like that.
This ain't been out for a minute, has it?
You got a hammer, Brent?
Right here. That could have been worse. Figure out how to get that ramp out of there. This corridor's long. We're just gonna pull this strap down, or this. All right, let's see if we can pull this. There we go. Go back that way with it. Maybe.
It's hitting on the side.
Got it. One strap. Throw this in the back of your truck. Woo! Freaking heater better work on the way out of here.
I'm gonna go get warm.
Are you?
Yeah.
You're abandoning me?
Kind of, yeah.
What a kid.
You got gloves though, so.
Fine. Put in first gear, rev her up, get the heater working. We got her loaded. I don't know where we're gonna turn around, but we got her loaded. Hey, Lynn, the heater's working.
Is it?
Yeah, you can feel it's way warmer in here than it was. It comes out up under there.
I can't feel a thing.
We're gonna go slow out of here. I do not want to dump this truck off of here. That does not seem like a good time to me to lose this truck. So I wasn't too terrible, really.
Hands are freaking cold.
It ain't real warm. We're fair weather tow truck guys.
Yeah.
Not this cold shiz. Wish I had a cup holder in here. Okay, we're gonna want to watch limbs on trucks here. Still gonna hit them?
Yeah, but I think I left it up over.
Okay. We should have brought chainsaw. I think this is the worst tree.
Yeah.
Oh, they're breaking limbs out of trees. This is priceless right here. The limbs hitting the truck that we're gonna go under, and they're trying to break it. We may have to hook a winch onto it. Try it? All right. Made it. A little hairy. You didn't even film any of that. You gotta take camera with you.
Hands, I can't feel them.
Oh, you are a wuss. It's not that cold.
Yeah, but I've been holding a chunk of metal.
Here, you want these gloves?
Kind of.
Put them on. Well, truck doesn't do too bad off-road.
Not terrible.
We are trimming some trees.
Yeah, that's not even warm at all.
Yeah, she ain't putting out a lot of heat right now. This old diesel doesn't make a lot of heat most of the time. This road's a little narrow for these duals.
Yeah, it's kind of rubbing on both sides.
Yeah, it's kind of just driving over stuff on this other side over here. If we hit the road and start building power, it'll get heat quick with the weight on it.
Might have to extend the bed a little bit on this thing.
I don't want to, is the problem. I didn't really ever build it to haul four-door Toyotas. If it was on frontwards, we'd load it fine because the back overhang would be off the back, the wheels would be on.
Yeah. Or you can just put some extensions on it or something.
So flip up extensions on the back.
Yeah.
Thought about that. Testing those Mickey Thompsons out today. They are running over some sagebrush currently. Look at that nice warm truck you could be in up there.
Yeah.
What in the heck? Thought you were getting in it.
I was too.
There's just a tree.
There's just a tree on the back of the hood.
Is there?
That truck.
Oh, the whole bed's loaded with limbs. We're out of the worst of her now. Out of the thick of it. Da, 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 da. Do you know that?
Into the thick of it.
It's
The road that way.
Wonder what?
Isn't the road that way?
Oh yeah, we don't want to go that way. That one sucks. It's the Wonder Pets. Sorry, I was distracted by the Wonder Pets. Oh, this ought to be a little hairballish.
Yeah. bad. It's in the hole, it slid off. There we go. That was...
Got one tire above it.
Yeah.
The one kind of slid off into it. There's some deer. Bucks.
No bucks, just goes. We get this thing turned into a rollback before long, so bed will slide. I got it pretty much figured out. Now I got a lathe that will actually cut a taper and do the things I need to. I can build the wheels, then the bed will be pretty cool. We're about to the good road here. We'll turn the hubs out, clean some limbs off the side of the road or the bed. See if we can get some heat building this thing and get on home. I'm gonna go to my brother-in-law's shop, drop this thing off. That wasn't too terrible, really.
No.
We got her loaded. Let's get out of here.
A few inches later.
What's that noise? Oh, like an exhaust leak.
Sounds like an exhaust.
Maybe we'll look at it right here.
A few moments later.
So I figured it out. A plug fell out of the manifold. It's not a big deal. I'll just screw a new pipe plug in it. I guess we never tightened it, probably. It's a port for putting an exhaust gas temp gauge in it, pyrometer, and it has a pyrometer in one, but it has an extra one, and I didn't tighten it or something, and it fell out. So that's the noise, no big deal. I believe we've made her to town with it. So I think we can just back it right in his shop, swing the hoist arms under it, and lift it right off the truck, and not have to unload it.
We just put it up on the hoist. It'll fit.
She gonna fit?
Yeah. Yeah. We can get it on the hoist right there, couldn't we?
Should be able to just swing that under there and pick it up. That works out good. Yeah, that'll be easy.
Unstrap.
Just barely. Once you got it, I'll let this off.
Hey, it looks normal now.
Okay, lift her up a little.
That don't look very good.
No,
What happened?
broke a ball joint. Keep going up a little bit, Coleman, and I can squeak up on there. You want, huh?
Strained his finger.
Oh, yeah. That'll do it. I'll pull up.
Okay.
Is it pretty bad? Oh, snap.
Oh yeah, she just popped the CV out of place. She's all good. Cherry.
How bad to tear it up? Yeah, Toyota stuff, man. That's why I straight axled mine, so I didn't have to deal with that anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Brent's gonna buy a side by side now, he says.
Then I'll fix that.
Yeah, you put parts on that.
And that
Yep.
right now.
Or I could just take that dog box out of it and stay home.
That's not fun.
That's
That's not fun
that
at
probably
all.
won't happen. So.
Well, we're going home warming up, so.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
You're very welcome
Yeah.
anytime.
Yep, I appreciate it.
Yep,
You
no
keep
sweat.
talking crap, Brent, now that
That wasn't too bad, right? Other than the heat,
Yeah.
that was the worst part.
The warmness factor
The
was
warmness
not there.
factor was definitely not there today. Let's go get a plug and go home. So. All right, we're back home. We're gonna get warmed up and on to the next adventure. So hope you guys enjoyed that. The first trip in the old Ratback wasn't bad. I'm gonna need to make that bed slide. Those ramps are a pain, so in the near future. So thanks for watching.